The second pig lived in a house of wood, and one day the hungry wolf came to the house and knocked on the door and said, "Little pig, are you in the..." Are you in the... Stop. Are you in the...